Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to email Fiverr's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a great website how to find Fiverr's customer support. So if we go head on over to pissconsumer.com, this site is great for finding hard to reach websites or companies' emails. So click in the Piss Consumer. Once we're over at Piss Consumer, there will be a search bar at the top. So from here, type in Fiverr, like so, and then press enter. Now scroll down, and we've got reviews, Q&A, and contacts. Click onto contacts. And now scroll down again, and here we go. So we've got an email customer service. So go ahead and click onto that and shoot them a message. You can click on send a message. They've also got some numbers here as well if you like to call customer service directly for Fiverr.